Alright, so our PowerPoint is displaying and summarizing quantitative data. While reading Chapter 4, keep these objectives in mind, like students will construct graphical displays or distribution of universal array data. Students will interpret graphical displays or distribution of univariate data, and so on. And then this is like the overview of what Chapter 4, what you should have learned. Like histograms, stem and leaf displays, dot plots, the shape of distribution, center of distribution, spread, 5-number summary, just checking what can go wrong. Here's a basic slide of histograms. A histogram can be used to show counts and distributions, but they don't show the data values themselves. This is the count, this is the bin. And you can press return, and you'll go right back to there, and you can click on other stuff like the stem and leaf displays. The stem and leaf is in the left-hand column. The stem is the left-hand column, which contains the tens digits, and the leaves are the left of the list in the right-hand column, showing all the ones digits for each of the 10s, 20s, and 30s, and 40s. You can click return, and you can go to dot plots. Dot plots show basic facts about the distribution and are a great way to display a small data set. Place a dot along an axis for each case in the data. And the shape of distribution. You can see like unimodal, bimodal, multimodal, uniform. Yeah, and you can click on this and you can get a graph to see representation. Like this, like that's a unimodal, multimodal, bimodal, and uniform. You can click return, and you can see what skewed, symmetric, tails, and outliers are. Alright, so we're gonna go to center distribution. You can see how the center can be measured by the median, the middle value that divides the histogram into equal areas, generally used for more skewed distribution. Finding the median of hatch of n numbers is easy as long as you remember the order that the values first. The mean is found by summing all the data values and dividing by the counts. So then we go to spread. When we can describe a distribution numerically, we always report a measure of its spread along with its center. Like range, to find range, it's maximum versus minus minimum, and that's how you find the range. And IQR is the difference between the quartiles, tells us how much territory the middle half of the data covers. And then standard deviation, it takes into account how far each value is from the mean. And then the 5-number summary. Summary of distribution reports the minimum values, quartile 1, the median, quartile 3, and the maximum value. And we have a picture here. It shows you how you find it. Right there. You see the upper half of the lower half of the data. And we can go to just checking. You can click on any of these links, and they'll tell you how to do it, the just checking. And what can go wrong, like what not to do. Don't make a histogram of a categorical variable. Don't look for shape, center, and spread of a bar chart. Don't forget to make a picture. Always make an idiot check or a reality check. Choose a bin with it appropriate to the data. And then these are the videos for Mrs. Brown. You can click on any of these links. These are both links to YouTube videos. So you need more help in stats. This is for students, like overview. This is what I'm doing right now, and this is a chapter 4 homework if you need help with the homework. And these are AP questions that we do as a group. And if you need some calculator tips, right here. And if you need some help with quizzes, there's one right there, and that you can click and you can watch. And that's pretty much it.